What's up, everybody? It's your boy RPJ, Real Pokemon Joe. And today we are going to be opening up this deluxe pin collection, and let's go ahead and see what it's got inside. Well, there it is unboxed. Now I'm sure you guys want to see everything individually. It comes with a Zacian Level X card, which Level X cards were introduced a long time ago, but it's pretty cool to see them again. The code card is a Surfing Pikachu. We've got one pack of Vivid Voltage, one pack of Chilling Rain. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of Celebration. Have a good night.